Guys, welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieve these big luscious curls on this long hair. This hair that I'm wearing is from Kendras boutique. I've had this hair since August. It is now December. This is the unit that I also wore on my birthday. I'll insert a picture down below. Quick specs on the hair. The inches that I'm wearing is a 20-inch frontal, 226 bundles, and 228. And this is where, well, if the hair wasn't curled, it literally just stops right above like where my booty starts. Where my booty starts. I didn't really know how else to phrase that, but basically that's where it stops. But right now it's stopping like right here, so a little bit above my belly button pretty much, I would say. So if you guys are interested in finding out how I achieve these curls, definitely keep watching this video. So to achieve these big beautiful curls, I'm just taking the hair and I'm wrapping it around the curling iron. You want to make sure that you're wrapping it and you're holding it in place just for like a few seconds or a minute or two, as long as you can, without your arm getting tired. For the front, I did pin curl this up because I did want it to be tight, but for the back I didn't pin curl it up. But if you guys have somewhere to go and you have a little extra time, I do recommend pin curling them as you go. That way you can have a much tighter and a much nicer curl, and it might also help it last a little longer. I did not spray this hair down with any spritz or any holding spray. I really typically don't like putting too much product in my hair. So the temperature that I'm using the curling iron on was 400, and the curling iron is also 2 inches. It does open, as you guys can see. It has a handle on it, but being that the hair was so long, I found it to be such a struggle to try and fit the hair underneath the clamp without it falling back out. So to avoid that struggle, I just continuously wrap the hair around the barrel. And in order to have identical curls, you want to make sure you're wrapping the hair in the same direction. So if you're going backwards, make sure you're wrapping everything backwards. If you're wrapping forwards, make sure you're wrapping everything forward. And you also want to make sure that you're twisting the hair as you go. Do not leave the hair flat on the barrel as you wrap it, because it will not give you that nice spiral curl effect that you see me achieving here, and your curls will not look identical. So I noticed that the curls that I did off camera came out a little different from the curls that I did on camera, and I'm very OCD, guys, so I wanted them to look the same. So I went back in and I just rewrapped all of that hair around the curling iron one more time, and I held it there for a few seconds and let it go, and that was an easy fix for me. And then I let go of that piece that I pin curl, and as you guys can see, it definitely made a difference, and this is what my curls look like. And this is actually my first time curling this hair. I wanted to put it to the test, honestly. I never curled the hair, and I never really wear like curled hair, so this was my first time putting this hair to the test to see if it could hold the curl, and I think it did pretty well. Let me know what you guys think down below. And also FYI, I have no complaints about this hair. It doesn't really shed, it doesn't really mat up on me or anything like that. I don't remember how much I purchased it for, probably close to probably like $400, honestly, because the bundles were long. And FYI guys, every year around she has a few sales here and there. You gotta kind of catch them. It's not really anything like super major, but I'm always down for saving some coins. Who isn't? So, and if you're interested in finding out how I achieved this bomb makeup look, then I'm gonna put the link to that video up top. Be sure to check that out also. And yeah, I'm done rambling, so I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.